Hydraulic brakes are a type of braking system that uses oil pressure from the brake lever to push the piston. To operate it, the hydraulic brake is quite easy to use because it only requires one finger. This advantage certainly makes the braking system easier to do and avoid your hands getting tired quickly. The master cylinder, also known as the master brake cylinder, converts the pressure on the brake pedal to hydraulic pressure by feeding brake fluid into the brake circuit and controlling this according to the mechanical force. Master brake cylinders are used both in disc brakes and drum brakes. The braking system's primary function is to ensure the driver can reduce speed or come to a stop in a safe, controlled manner. Brake calipers are crucial in this process, as they are the components that directly engage with the brake pads and rotors to create the necessary stopping force. Frictional force is the force generated by two surfaces that contact and slide against each other. A few factors affecting the frictional force. These forces are mainly affected by the surface texture and the amount of force impelling them together. A visual inspection is one way to check the condition of your car's brake pads. You can see them between the wheel spokes, pressed against the metal rotors. If you see that the pads are less than 1/4 inch thick, then it may be time to have them inspected or replaced. With most of your foot's weight resting on the floor, pivot your foot forward to apply light pressure to the brake pedal. Gradually apply more pressure until you feel resistance from the brakes engaging and your car begins to slow. Continue applying gentle pressure to slow or stop the car as needed. Always check the brake fluid level and condition. If needed, change the fluids and drain a small amount to allow for the fluid returning from the pistons as they're retracted. Remove the brake fluid reservoir cap when returning piston to avoid resistance and damaging the system. When you press the brake pedal, the hydraulic system is activated. The hydraulic unit then sends brake fluid through the brake hoses into the caliper, inducing pressure on the caliper piston. The caliper squeezes the brake pads onto the brake discs, causing friction and slowing the vehicle down.